Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have my festive reds. It's that time of year where I show you all the best red underwear that I can find from Klein for my annual festive reds. I've been doing this about 2 years. This is the third, so let's get into it. I have my little haul bag here. I don't know if you can see behind me, but it is kind of festive back there at the moment, which is kind of fun. So I'm going to first off show you some of the underwear that I got that is what I deem to be the best of the reds that I could find. So I'm going to start off with a multi-pack. Now this one comes, I'm going to be doing a video on this one really soon. I just wanted to do this one because I just saw that it came out in red, and I thought I'd do a very brief overview of it. And it's this little 2-pack here. So I'm just going to show you the red one for now. It comes like this, just a little bold red color. Now this one, look at that, it's a very, very true red. What a lovely color that is. Now this one has a really soft logo band, which is very discreet. You can very barely pick up the logo on the band, as you can see there. So if you are a more discreet person, you don't want a lot of logo that's straight in your face, and this is perfect for you. This is one you should go get right now this Christmas at the outlets. It is really great on the leg. It has a really nice soft cotton and a great fit overall. Just diving into it, that is just the red. The next one I have is from the old CK1 range, which got discontinued, but they only do in the outlets. And this one is the Coop breathable cotton with added stretch. Now the one I picked up was this one. It's fun. It's a fun little logo print. I actually like this kind of logo print because it is a few different shades of red and black, so it's very festive. It also features the open fly, so I picked this one out because it had the open fly option in it as well, and it is a very good alternative if you want something at a very low price point. Underwear, in regards to underwear, this is your go-to. This is probably one of the cheapest ones that you can probably pick up, and it just looks like that. If you wanted to get like a really nice gift for someone, go check this out. This one is very nice, and what more can you ask for underwear as well? Something, you know, affordable, nice colors, nice print design, and a really nice band as well. So there is that. I also picked up the Intense Power hip brief. This is probably the best find I found at the outlet. It looks like this. It's a really solid color hip brief, which I don't think I actually have a red hip brief. I think I just have the low-rise trunk version. And I have to say the hip briefs in the Intense Power range is super comfortable, really nice quality, something you should really look out for if you are a hip brief person. It's super soft cotton, really nice seams, so when it sits on your leg, it sits really nicely. It gives you a lot of freedom of movement while also being super comfortable. And the thicker band is actually really nice on the waist. You may be put off by how big it is and how much logo there is, but it actually gives a lot of support and is a really decent kind of underwear to have. So overall, I really suggest you go out and see if you can find this one. This is a really, you know, great standalone underwear for everyday purposes. Pajama Pant, which I will insert as well. It looks like this. Super nice. The shop says I have to go back and return this actually because they left the tag on it, but it is really nice. It's kind of like a check pattern with a bit of dog tooth in there, kind of looking kind of pattern, if you can see that. Really nice, comfortable, super soft for this winter. Another really great Christmas gift, and it came in red and blue, and I really like that, so I thought I'd include this in my favorites this year. So yeah, if you wanted to get something a little bit different, nice little sleep pant, this has got you covered. Real nice, real comfortable. I've had one similar to this previously, so I'm glad I could find another one to pick up from that, pretty much. But that's it, guys. That is my fave reds. I just wanted to give you an overview of my favorite red underwear that I could find this year, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know my last holiday collection one didn't have any reds really in it at all, which was kind of shocking. So going to the outlet, it was really nice to pick up some of the red pieces that they had. So yeah, other than that, guys, that is what I picked up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big ol' like, smash that like button, leave a comment down below what you thought about these Fave Reds that I picked out, and yeah, make sure to subscribe for more content, turn on that notification bell for any premieres or any other upcoming content, and I will talk to you next time. I hope you guys are having an awesome festive period. I hope you're having fun. I hope it's a nice, warm, relaxing time, and I wish you all the best. So thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll tune into you guys next time. Bye-bye. So the video you're just watching has just ended, but don't worry, you can go watch one of my old videos right here, or you can go and subscribe right here and be notified when my next video comes out so you don't have to miss any of the action. So thank you, and goodbye.